Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tricky Zach. I'm gonna show you how you can remove your Windows password, or you can delete the password or bypass the Windows 7, Windows XP or Windows Vista login screen. Okay friends, if you forgot your computer's password, to unlock it you will need these ISO image files. This is Hiren's boot CD ISO. You don't need to format your PC at all. Create a bootable pen drive or create a bootable CD using Power ISO or Rufus of this image file, but I prefer to create a bootable pen drive using Rufus or Power ISO. Friends, remember one thing, this video is for educational purpose only. Okay, now you can see here it's my Windows 7. I'm running it on virtual machine. So this is my account and this account is administrator and it is password protected. Okay, so I'll unlock this account for you and I'll bypass the Windows 7 screen. Okay, so I'll restart it from here. I'll simultaneously press F2. This is our BIOS. So in BIOS we have to go in the boot, and in the boot if you are having removable drives like pen drive, if you have created bootable pen drive using Hiren's ISO image, so then this device should be on the top of your boot priority, and second should be hard drive, and third should be CD-ROM. If you are using CD, bootable CD which has created by our ISO image, so this CD-ROM should be on the top. So right now I have DVD inserted in it in my PC, so I'll keep it on top so my computer will directly boot up from that CD drive. Okay, so do F10 for save and exit. Click on F10, save and exit. Now this PC will directly boot up from the Hiren's boot CD. Now here you can see offline NT 2000 XP Vista 7 password changer. So you have to click enter on it. So click enter on it. Boot. So it says press enter to boot or give Linux kernel boot option first if needed. So you have to click on boot. So click enter, press enter for boot. No, so I'll hit enter key. So you can see lots of command and Linux being loaded here. And now candidate Windows partition found. So number 1, that is DEVSDA1, that is 500 MB boot. So we don't want to do anything to our boot priority or boot partition. And our second is DEVSDA2, that is our C partition. Okay, if you are having external drives connected to your PC, then it will show DEVSDAB, or if you are having two external drives connected to your PC, then it will show DEVSDC. So right now our C partition is number 2, so I'll click number 2 over here and I'll press enter. So now we have selected the C partition, C drive. Now step 2, debug path Windows found as Windows, System32 found as System32, and config found as config, and found correct case to be Windows System32 config. So that's our correct path, that is Windows System32 and configuration file. So here it says press continue to enter. So you have to enter, press enter key, hit the enter key over here and it will select it automatically. Hit enter, it has selected. Now you can see select which part of registry to load, use predefined choices. So number 1, password reset, SAM system security. Number 2, recover console parameters, and third one is Q for quit, return to previous. So we want to change the password, so I'll go with 1. By default it has already chosen 1, so let it be. I'll not enter any key, I'll just direct hit enter key. Yeah, you can see over here loaded Hives, SAM system security. edit user data and password, click on one. So I will click one and I'll hit enter key. Now here are the user names who are having the accounts in this PC. Those are administrators, guest, home groups, pro, Zach. So I want to clear the password of pro. So it says simply enter the username to change. Administrator, no, I'll put it pro, P-R-O. So guys, remember it, if the first word or first letter is written in capital letter or capital alphabet, you should have to enter same as it's written or shown over here. It's pro, that means the first P is in capital form and R is in small form and O is in small form. So just press P in capital, R in small and O also in small and hit enter. Now user edit menus appeared. Clear blank user password. Yes, that's what we wanna do it. So click one and hit the enter key. So it shows password cleared. Now so it says select exclamation for quit. So I'll enter exclamation and I'll hit enter key. So now it will show edit user data and password. What do you want to do? So we don't want to do anything, we have already changed and cleared the password. So we have to enter Q for quit and enter over here. Now step 4, return back changes. About to write files back, do it. So it will show N is for N and Y is for S. So I'll press Y over here and I'll hit enter key. Now done, it's done. Okay, now you have cleared the password. So over here it says you can try again if it is somehow failed or you selected wrong new run. So if you want a new run, then press Y, then all the steps we had taken back previously, that will be appeared again. And if you don't want to do anything, if you want to continue, then press N. So I'll go with N. Yes, now here over here it says, however, if you mount something, remember to unmount before reboot. So okay, so if you have unmounted anything, just like if you have inserted pen drive, then remove the pen drive, then press alert control delete, or you have entered CD, then remove the CD and press alert control delete. So now I will change the boot priorities, that my hard drive should be on the top and on the next there should be CD-ROM and third will be removable drive. Now press F10, that will save the configuration changes and exit. Now the Windows 7 is getting loaded. Now you can see it's gonna ask for the password again. No, I'm just kidding. It will just directly take us to the Windows screen, desktop. I'm in desktop. So you have successfully cleared your password and bypassed login screen. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, click subscribe and hit like button and please share. Thank you very much.